Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstradertoday. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the natural gas price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen that it is currently trading at around 7.832. Suppose if this particular level sustain, then it will make a probability of having a cup pattern, and from there we can see it can go further upside as it has already made a U pattern. Okay, and after that this particular range it is continuously moving down, and this is from 26th of July we have seen it has continuously falling. Okay, because there is import and export things were happening in different countries. This is because of this. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding natural gas, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. You can watch the full video so you will understand how it works, and a Telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, now if you look at the chart, what you can see that there is high volatility we have seen in the natural gas, as it has moved upside as well as downside for quite frequently. Suppose if this level sustain, we can see it can go further higher towards a level of 7.927, and if that level also sustain, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $8.06. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further higher towards a level of $8.267, and if that level sustain, a probability is high, we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $8.448. And this is a weak support. You have to understand this. 8.448 is a weak support. Again I repeat, so probability is high if this sustain. That means if around 8.448 sustain, then we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $9.4, because this is a higher probability that once if it sustain above a level of 8.4, then we can see a level of 8.7, and from there we can see it can go further higher towards a level of $9, and then it can touch a level of 9.2 to a level of $9.4. You have to understand this. Okay, but suppose, as I have already explained you, that market is uncertain. You cannot predict that it will go in one direction, on the upside or the downside. Okay, because till the time there is no big news like war and something like pandemic situation, we cannot see sharp fall or sharp downfall. Okay, so suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, okay, because the market will move, if it has to move upside, it will move for us quite some time for in the range and then break out, and then in the same way it will come down. Okay, so suppose if this level didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if this level didn't sustain, currently trading around 7.784. Suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, as we have seen, it is continuously in the downtrend. Okay, so if this particular level didn't sustain, then we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $7.607, and from there we can see it can come down again to a level of $7.547. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level also, then there is a higher probability of coming down to a level of $7.4, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $7.06. Okay, once the price fall below a level of $7.06, and then we can see it can touch a level of $6.8. Suppose if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $6.3, and from there we can see it can touch a level of before 6.3 we can see a strong support coming at around 6.5. If that level goes downside, then we can see it can touch a level of $6.3. Okay, and once if it goes below a level of 6.3, then a strong support coming at around 5.9. so if it goes below that level, 5.9 is the support. So what we can see, there can be a bounce back at $5.9, but if it goes below a level of 6.5, then there is a higher probability we can see it can move to a level of $5.9. Okay, so once $5.9 didn't sustain, a probability is high, we can see it can move further down, because this is the range for quite some time. So okay, so it can fall below a level of 5.9, and from there we can see it can move further down, because this is a certain spike we have seen in the recent year after this Ukraine war. Otherwise what we have seen, the range for natural gas was in a particular range. Okay, this is quite a time where we have seen natural gas has moved at a level of $9 also, and from there it has come down to a level of $6 also. So suppose if it goes below a level of 6.5, then only we can see it can touch a level of $5.9, and from there we can see it can fall towards a level of 5.7 to a level of further down. Okay, otherwise if we can see a bounce back if it's 6.5 level sustain. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail ID in the description. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.